Hey, how you doing? My name is Joe Jackson. I'm the owner of Metro Design, and today I'm going to show you 3 things you can do to boost your online presence, get you higher ranking on Google, and then start bringing in those leads you're missing out on, right? So we can help build out this awesome business. Awesome. So, first things first, okay, Google loves content. Okay, content is king when it comes to Google. So, they want to see between 1,500 and 2,000 words on your home page. Okay, now obviously very few people are going to read 2,000 words, right? But Google will, and they will know that you are the subject matter expert compared to somebody you know that only has 700 words. Make sense? So, if we scroll, okay, you can see the words on there. Okay, so you're not going to rank. Okay. Google also loves, big built-out websites. Okay, so the more pages you can throw on here, the better. Okay, so it looks like a pretty good start, right? But each of your services needs to have their own page. Okay, make the website as big as you can make it, all right? And then on your service pages, right, Google still loves content. I want to see, between 500 and 700 words. Okay, I think you were sitting at, maybe 100 words on your service page. All right, so I definitely recommend getting a lot more content on your website, right? And definitely building it out as much as you can. So this is your number one competitor, okay, in your area. So I'm going to show you what they're doing right and how you're going to beat them, okay? So first things first, right? You can see they have a lot of pages, right? So you're going to want to come in here, count how many pages they have, right? And then you're going to want to make sure that you have more pages than them. So if they have 9 pages, you're going to want to do 10 pages. All right. And then on their homepage content, looking at 1,500 words on their homepage. Okay, so I definitely recommend doing that 2,000 word goal. Okay, blow them out of the water. All right, make Google know that you are the subject matter expert compared to this guy. All right. And then on his really good, okay, he's doing about 3,000 words on his back pages, okay, which is crazy, right? Very, very few businesses do that many words. All right, but he is, so that's why he's ranking. So to outrank him there, you're going to want to do, 3,000 words plus on your back pages as well. Right? This all making sense? Cool. So, moving on. Okay, to citations. All right, citations are your business name and phone number on different websites. Okay, the more you have, it's going to be a lot easier for Google to rank you in the map pack. Okay, once you start ranking in the map pack, you're going to start, bringing in a lot of leads there as well, right? So this is your number one competitor in the map pack in your area. He has 15 citations, right? So 15 different 15 different websites have his business name, address, and phone number on them. Okay. Go out, sort of, beat him, right? You're going to want to do, 30, 40, 50, 60 citations. Okay? You're going to want to blow them out of the water in every area you can, right? You're going to want to make them look bad in every area you can, so Google favors you and puts you above them. All right? There's a couple other things that are going to help you rank in the map pack as well, but we can talk about that later on if you would like. Moving on to backlinks, okay? Backlinks are super important, all right? This is how you rank Google, okay? And if you have good quality backlinks, that's how you rank on Google a lot faster. Okay, you can have a perfect website, but if you don't have power coming to your website through backlinks, you're not going to go anywhere, okay? So keep that in mind. You need backlinks to rank your website, okay? Even if it's a perfect website. You also want to keep in mind quality over quantity when it comes to backlinks, right? So you can have, 20 bad backlinks. I can have 10 good quality backlinks. My website's going to outrank yours every month, okay? Another thing to keep in mind with backlinks, all right, is this is a monthly reoccurring thing, okay? You want to go out there and get backlinks every month. Keep building up your backlinks, okay? Keep making your website more powerful, okay? If you stop doing it, the backlinks will fall off your website and your website will start to decline, okay? So you can see your competition has 43 different websites pushing 165 backlinks to him, right? Which really isn't that much, okay? But it is enough that he's ranking in your area. Okay, so go out there and get good quality backlinks, build your website correctly, right? And you could easily start taking over your area. Cool. You can also see how many keywords he's ranking for, right? Keywords are what people are searching for in your area, right? So once you start ranking for those, you're going to start bringing in a lot more leads. So he's ranking for 383 keywords, which is really good. Okay, and because he's ranking for keywords, right? Because he has backlink power, and because his website is good, right? He's bringing in 254 organic traffic to his website per month, right? Which is awesome. Okay, it shows you that your website has, or it shows you that your website has potential, and your business has potential to bring this many customers to your website, right? Which is awesome. Super exciting, and I would definitely take advantage of it if I were you, right? Because what would 254 organic traffic to your website per month do for you, right? What would that do for your business goals and your personal goals, right? Definitely something to think about. That's it though for this video. Hope you liked it. Hope you found it informative. Go ahead and reach back out to me if you have any questions. Call or text anytime, 515-468-3039. We also love feedback, so if we don't hear from you, we'll reach out to you to get that feedback. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.